Now, the Nyeri County Governor Mutahi Kahiga has once again drawn the anger of the residents of his county over his branding antics. The governor's latest stunt includes him plastering his face on a billboard announcing the construction of one pit latrine. Melita Oletenges tells us more.
This signboard, towering just outside the gate of this ECDE center in Nyeri, perhaps signals the Kahara Early Education Center's urgent need for relief. The signboard announces the construction of a pit latrine at the center, but the curiosity is less about the absence of proper sanitation facilities at the school, but more about the watchful eyes of the county's great leaders. Such a lofty statement for a quite humble project. The governor is taking a stand to stamp his presence in the upgrade of the school's worn-down toilets. It's a rather tall stand.
Sioni haja ya kuweka vibao kama hizi. Afadhali wafanya kazi ingine na hii pesa, sababu ubao unamaanisha nini sasa? Tunawajua, sisi tuliwachagua na tunawajua. Kuna haja gani ya kuweka vibao kama hizi?
Hii inaweza kula tuseme something to do like 60,000. Lakini pit latrine unakuta inakula 30,000. So it's a waste of money.
It is not the first time Mutahi Kahiga has been criticized for plastering his face all over what he sees as his achievements. In April, he came under fire for quoting his picture on sanitizers donated by the Kibos Sugar Company, and that cost about 100,000 shillings. These portraits everywhere don't really command any reverence anymore. In fact, some see it as portraits of men who demand to be remembered.
Pesa si yao. Wakiingia kwa afisi wasichukue watu kama ni wajinga. Tunaangalia kila kitu, tunaona vile wanafanya, na hata kama tungekuwa na uwezo, tungetumia ile section 6 ya recurring cross. Tuondoe.
Our efforts to reach Governor Mutahi Kahiga for an interview were futile as our calls went unanswered. His deputy, Caroline Karugu, however, spoke to us on phone, saying she had nothing to do with the pompous display.
Well, Melita, I wish to disassociate myself from these persistent, cheap publicity stunts, and I consider them extremely unfortunate and ill-advised. Even the mere contemplation of these acts is a total abuse of the intelligence of the people of Nyeri County. Thank you.
The billboards were later pulled down. Residents now want the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and the DCI to investigate the extravagance, which they say amounts to misuse of public funds in the county. It is once again image above development in Nyeri County, and the monies used to make such signboards might just exceed that of the project. The public relations gimmicks are now becoming a burden the taxpayers have to carry. Melita Oletenges, NTV in Kahara, Nyeri County.